Hi guys, so this is going to be a Fontana Pharmacy haul, and what I'm going to start doing, you guys, is I'm going to start uploading 4 videos now a week. So I'm going to start uploading every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Alright, so this is the bag I got from Fontana. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Are y'all? Okay, so the very first thing is these little pouches that they have now. By the way, they have locations, island-wide 5 locations. I have one in Sav, Montego Bay, Old Cheerios, Mandeville and Kingston. Because people always asking me, where is Fontana? Because I'm in the island. Where's Fontana? I'm in the island. Watch my island. No shame in his game. And they have locations island-wide. So these are sold at Fontana, and my one said blouse and skirt. But what is cute is that in the bags they tell you what the saying means. So it says 2 cards in here. It says, yeah, Jamaican blouse and skirt is a Jamaican slang used when one is surprised. Example sentences: Jamaican dialect patois, blouse and skirts, where the pouch that come from? English: wow, where did that pouch come from? Your response: Jamaica, come on. Oh Lord, I'm hot. Yeah, am I in focus? So this is the first one, blouse and skirt. Then I got a palette. I got the e.l.f. All About Eyes palette right here, and that's Jonathan going in my bag. You guys can see him standing up. By the way, I wanted to tell you guys thank you, because I was very oh, he's standing up himself. Oh, Jonathan. Bruh, you gotta be brave. You gotta be strong. You gotta be wiser. Guys, I so hope I'm in focus. I'm trying to find my thingy to pull here. So this is the box as I showed you guys before, and in it you just slide it out, and you have the brush over here, another brush, and the e.l.f. eyelid primer. So these 2 are eye brushes, the e.l.f. eyelid primer and the eyeshadow palette. Alright, so I'll be doing makeup tutorials with these, obviously, because y'all know when I get goodies from Fontana, a video is going to come shortly after. So this one so this one is the Little Black Book. Oh, this one is All About Eyes, 32 color palette, Little Black Book. Alright, so the other one is the Little Black Book, as I was saying before. Y'all know I had to stop this video and go somewhere, right? So this is it, you guys. And just as on the book, you have a brush here. Oh, a brush here. And you have the palette here. Alright. Alright. I'm just looking at the quality of the colors, and I guess it folds up like a little black book. Alright, so as I said before, this is just a show and tell. Did I say that before though? But this is just a show and tell, like the haul part of the video. I'll be doing makeup tutorials using these, and this is the daily brush cleaner, which is probably obvious, the e.l.f. daily brush cleaner, so I don't think, and it is clear. Oh, so this isn't a soap, it's a brush cleaner, so you spray and clean the brushes, right? So that's that. And then we have the e.l.f. golden bronzer. Okay, because y'all know it's a season for glowing, boo-boo. It's a season for glowing. So this is what it looks like. Oh, and here we go. That's nice. Let's do a swatchity swatch of all of them. Oh, it's subtle. It's right here, but you're not really seeing it. It's really subtle. Let's try this one right here, over here. That gold. Again, it's subtle. Oh, you're seeing it there. It's subtle. Let's try this one right here. That one. And oh, you're seeing it there. It's not as popping as this one here, but it's subtle. Let's try this one over here. Yeah, subtle. And then which finger am I gonna need? Some I'm gonna need. And let's try this one, the other one right here. Again, subtle. I think I like this one. This one seems a bit more pigmented to me. So I'll use this. I'm going to do a full tutorial using all of these. so you guys can see. And I got 2 body, let's see, let's I want to get this right. So this is from Marsha Julian Cosmetics, and this is Exotic Coffee Salt Polish and Exotic Coconut Polish. And this is a bath time. It's cosmetics. Is it for face? Okay, so these are like skin. I thought they were body scrubs, but these look like they're for the face. And this one, this is the coffee. Yeah, this is the coffee sauce. What it looks like. Can I pour it out? No. Let me just touch it. Okay, so it's hard. Oh look, so you just take, oh, so you just take, it's just salt and you rub it in. Oh, I'm rubbing it on my leg to see. Okay, all right, I'm feeling you, I'm feeling you. So this can be all over body and face. I think this may be too harsh for the face, but definitely all over body. And this is no, this is Exotic Coconut Polish. Wow, you smell that coconut, boy. Ooh, and this one has a bit more juice in it. So that one was a little bit dried out. This one, yeah, this one has a bit more juice to it. Has a bit more movement to it. And I like the smell of this one better. This is nice. So this looks like it's for the face. It just looks like it's for the skin. So it's using it on your face and on your body. It did not specify on the packaging. What I'll be using it for is for the body because I have back acne, and which is probably gross to some of you, and also on the face if I'm doing like a deep clean treatment kind of a thing, like going deep in my pores, then I steam, then I tone and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'll let you guys know how these work out. These two, I've never tried them before, and there are lots of things that I'm just now finding out by the way of Fontana, because I just don't know. You see, me working with Fontana has allowed me to try a lot of products that I've never heard of before, a lot of products that are Jamaican owned, Jamaican brands, so that's good. I have to say my favorite part is this blouse and skirt. It's such a cute cosmetics bag. And all my stuff in there, and it's jeans material, so you know, so just throw it into the machine and wash it with your hand good. Yeah, so that's basically it, you guys. Not a long video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and guess what? Guess what, guys? Guess what? I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.